it's hard to see, but that's the first alligator for the year 2026 that we have seen in the backyard. He's probably not gonna show much else of himself, but that's our first alligator we've seen this year in 2026. I can't tell how good the video is getting, but that's as close as I can zoom in, I think. Alrighty, we got a lot of garbage right there. Need to try to clean that out somehow. But we got a nice bird. He didn't even move when I came out here. Not sure what kind of bird he is, but we get all sorts of wildlife out here in our backyard. It's kind of like National Geographic in the backyard. Sometimes we even see bald eagles out here. And our little alligator is still right there. He's a baby alligator. He's probably only about 3 feet, because I was able to see his entire body at one point. But anyway, alrighty. Alright, everything looks good today. I need to just clean up some of that trash. And there's Girly. There's Fergie. Fergie! What you doing, girl? I got a big backyard. I got about an acre back here, and I got 160 feet waterfront property too.